Hello, friends. Once again, we are somewhere in Norway, and here we go again. It's so cold, and I don't want to get up, but I have to. There's a lot of kilometers left. No food to eat. And stores are closed. Let's go. Good morning, guys. I am broken all over. I slept like 10 hours. Honestly, I fell asleep like at 8 or something p.m. Today's plan: try not to get too wet because it was raining too much yesterday, or at least in the evening it was raining a lot. And I will be heading for nearest city to find some canister gas for the food, but they open at 10, so maybe I will continue to the next city after. Either way, there's about 150 kilometers awaiting us, and hopefully there will be more stuff to video because there wasn't much yesterday. Let's go. It's another day, another race. Today should be 100 kilometers, hopefully. 100 kilometers to Göteborg to basically manage a ferry that goes at 6:20. So, wish me luck. Been a minute since I gave you an update. I'm in Gothenburg. It's raining. Finally, it's raining. So there's not much from the city to see. I'm waiting for my ferry. Oh, we are moving. We are moving, so or not. I got my ticket, and it will be about I don't know, about 3.5 hours to get to Denmark. Oh, good morning. Um, good morning, good people. I have to say, welcome to Denmark. And also, Denmark is cold in May. Oh, yesterday it was okay when we arrived, but I think like at 1 in the morning it started to rain like crazy. I had to hide everything. Well, I'm hidden, which is good, but still. I will try to show you a little bit of where I am. Yeah, that is fucking cool. They seem to have a lot of these camping grounds. But yeah, it's not ready for side wind. Plan for today, not much, like 70 kilometers or so. I want to get to a camp and have a warm shower. I really need it now. Really. I had a bit of a weird wake up call, and it's these fuckers. There seems to be don't even know how to call them. The flamboyant birds, peacocks, um, and they were screaming. God damn, they were screaming. But yeah, new day, new cold. I had to dress up properly. And yeah, let's find some coffee. It's cold, it's unpleasant, but we are almost there. Look at that shit. Almost there. Option. Hopefully it will be a better one. I just have to get there. Found it at last. This is cool. There's the water. Nice. This is cool. This is similar to what was yesterday, without functional toilet, but that is cool. Good morning, friends, and everyone else who's watching. For the third time, my battery died. It was cold night, I won't lie. My butt was freezing off. My legs were freezing off. Everything was freezing for some reason. Regardless, today's plan, we want to do a lot of kilometers. Let me get moving. We want to do a lot of kilometers. Because we are late. We are so late. Late for what? Doesn't matter. But we are late. I thought I would be much farther than I am now. But I got stuck in Sweden and Norway for so long because of the winds that they were having there. alternative routes, meaning cheating. I wanted to, get a train or bus or something, but Denmark is shit for trains because like the trains are not going south for some reason. They are just going all around. It is not as convenient as in Japan, where I could get a ferry and ride around the coast to get to the other side. No, they don't have that. And buses are very confusing, and as far as I understood, probably not good for a fully loaded bicycle either. So we will have to ride. So I will try to do as much as I can, but at the same time, hey, what can you do? The goal is France, and we will get there at some point. So whatever in between is just that's just dust in the wind, as we've seen yesterday. But let's not set ourselves for failure, and let's start small, meaning 60 kilometers, possibly laundromat, and wash my dirty laundry, and then a bit more. Okay, to the right. Yeah, and sorry I didn't talk much. I honestly have nothing to say. Nothing to say. I'm so surprised myself. Like, for so long, I just didn't have anything to say, and there wasn't much to record either. Like, there's like 5-6 recordings of whatever was there. Yeah, that's me. There's a Viking ship. Hello. Is the brewery open? For one beer?
For one beer.
Yeah?
Come here. I'm not brilliant.
Seems to be bye-bye.